Good morning, Mr. Widojo. Today I'm going to brief you on how I intend to monitor the ongoing management of IAJ supply chain strategy and inform you of the continuous improvement method. Firstly, let's look at how we can monitor IAJ supply chain strategy. In order for IAJ to succeed within the supply chain industry, effective measurement goals must work hand in hand with the overall supply chain's goals. These goals should represent strategic, tactical, operational, financial and non-financial levels. These key metrics cover planning, supply chain partner relationship, production, delivery and customer service. To determine if these goals are a success or a failing, I've developed a set of metrics and KPIs that will measure the performance of costs, relationship with partners and customer satisfaction. Let's start with logistical costs. Logistics covers a broad range of areas within the business, and as such, care must be taken when making a decision as the cost in one area of the business affects another cost. A logistics-oriented cost accounting system must be in place to minimise and identify any issues that may arise when making decisions based upon cost. The measures of cost should cover costs of assets, return on investment, total inventory costs, overall supply chain costs as a percentage of sales, cost of goods sold, cost per unit sold, warehouse and transport costs, and labour productivity rates. The next measurement is the relationship with partners. IAJ prides itself on the strong partnership it creates with customers, suppliers, vendors and competitors alike. When we need to analyse relationships with our partners, we need a set of measures and KPIs to understand how effective IAJ is at engaging with our partners. A set of measures that IAJ could use to determine this is the level and degree of information sharing, cost-saving initiatives with suppliers, vendors, suppliers, the amount of assistance provided in problem solving, the level of service provided. The last measure is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is obviously a key component of the success of the business. To ensure that IAJ is effectively measuring and managing the performance of its customer satisfaction, IAJ will use these performance measures. Flexibility, customer query times, post-transaction measures, delivery performance, perfect order fulfillment. Once we have collected all these performance measures, we can analyse our strengths and weaknesses by creating various different reports and statements. These can come in the form of graphs, statistics, or a relatively new method, the traffic light system. There are three main types of analysis and reporting that IAJ should use. These are variance analysis. This is the process of comparing actual and planned performance. Trend analysis. This is the process of analysing performance over time. And comparative reporting. This is the process of analysing periods of performance with planned performance to previous years or a similar company's performance. Once IAJ has an effective model of analysing data, we can now begin to look at effective forecasting. The next three slides give an example of what the information will look like when the data has been analysed. The current logistic information system used by IAJ is the Sage 300 ERP and Live Export Control. This system was specifically designed for a logistics company and incorporates the essential programs needed to successfully track stock, perform intercompany transaction, barcode and infrared capabilities. In order to review this technology and software, we must analyse how the system uses hardware, uses software, converts data resources into information products, accomplishes the input, processing and storage of information. Once we've reviewed and analysed these basic components, we can consider what are the functional requirements, what are the capabilities of the system, what type of information does the system require, what is the cost to operate in the system, is the system reliable, can the system handle the demands of the end user, is the system flexible, and does the system provide good security. Once we have reviewed and analysed all these components, can we truly make recommendations as to how we can effectively use and incorporate the system into achieving IAJ's goals. I hope this has provided you with the information that you need.